Hi there, students. A medley, a countable noun. Okay, a medley is a mixture of different things. For example, a fruit salad is a medley of different fruits. There are a medley of different types of character in my English class. Okay, a medley of something, a mixture. Now, we very often use a medley to talk about music, where you take bits from longer songs and you put them all together. Or he sang a medley of songs from the 1960s. He sang a medley of folk songs, a mixture of them. Okay, so tunes put together. He played a medley of popular songs on his guitar. You also use the word medley quite often in swimming. A swimming medley is a race where each of the swimmers uses a different stroke. So one swimmer does backstroke, that's normally the first one. Then you have butterfly, another who does butterfly stroke, another who does breaststroke, and the final one does the crawl. It's a medley of different strokes. You can also actually have a medley in athletics where each of the runners does a different distance. So if you had 4 runners and the first runner did 800 meters, and the second one did 400 meters, and the third one did 200 meters, and the last one did 100 meters, that would also be a medley. Okay, so a medley is a mixture of different things, an assortment, often a jumbled assortment. There are a medley of different things in my bag. Yeah, there are various different ones. Something made up of various different types or various different elements. A mixture of heterogeneous elements. Then you have a piece of music which combines bits from various different sources or various different songs. And then the medley, a race, a swimming medley. Okay, so a medley, a musical composition which is a mixture, an assortment, a patchwork, maybe a pastiche if you like, a potpourri, a mélange, a miscellany, a mishmash of different things. Okay, and this is the idea of a medley. Okay, so a collection or a mixture of different things. The dish was a medley of different flavors. I think medley is a good word for a description in a restaurant menu, for example. Okay, now what about formality? I think I would give it a 6 in formality. I think you could just about use it in an informal conversation, but I think I would probably use the word a mixture. And then let's see, as to origin, it comes from French, Old French, medley, which itself comes from Latin, misculata, okay, from Vulgar Latin misculo, to mix, okay, so to mix up. And yeah, it's a mixture of different things. The picture was a medley of different colours. I think normally the word medley also implies harmony and calm, so it's quite a positive word. I think it probably sounds a bit literary. It's a good word for a writing, for example. So, a medley, a mixture of different things. Yeah, there are a medley of different types of video in my channel. There are a medley of different plants growing in this meadow. He played a medley of songs by his famous artists. I had the 4th leg in the swimming medley, and we won the competition. Okay, so a medley, a mixture, yeah, a melee, all joined together. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A Medley.